How to book an appointment through online CIBC banking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to book an appointment through CIBC's online banking. So first, head over to the CIBC website or open the CIBC mobile banking on your device. Once here, scroll down and you will see the Meet with Us option. Click on that. From there, you can either sign on to online or mobile banking or continue as a guest to book your meeting. Next, select the type of service you want, such as a meeting with a financial advisor, mortgage consultation, or investment help, and just fill out the necessary details. Then, you can choose your preferred CIBC branch location and then select a date and time that works for you from the available slots. After selecting your appointment time, confirm your contact information and any additional details needed for the appointment. Once you submit your booking, you will receive an email confirmation with your appointment details. Be sure to check your inbox. And that's it. You have successfully booked an appointment through CIBC Online Banking. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.